One of the pain points for authors is indexing. Currently, indexes are typically created manually outside the manuscript, an onerous and wasteful undertaking because page references have to be manually verified each time a book is reflowed. There are a few indexing tools available, but these are very manual and typically not connected to the manuscript. PubINDEX solves this problem. Indexing is done right within the manuscript, and page references are created as two-way hyperlinks to the precise location in the manuscript. PubINDEX dynamically alphabetizes the index terms, a huge plus for large indexes. Cross-references, see and see also relationships, are also easy to create. This user-friendly app gives authors a real option to create their own indexes. When the indexer first logs into PubHub, he is presented with a link that allows him to open the manuscript to be indexed within PubINDEX. This is the only way he's able to access the manuscript, which is crucial as it provides the user all of the PubINDEX functionality while locking the content of the document to avoid mistaken edits or changes. PubINDEX first provides the user a list of content types that are commonly excluded from indexing: abstracts, endnotes, extracts, footnotes, and quotes. In this way, the indexer need not sort through terms in extraneous sections of the text. Indexing terms has never been easier. All the operator needs to do is highlight the term, drag and drop it into the indexing pane on the right. The number of instances is displayed, which allows the indexer to decide whether or not to index the term. The first term we'll highlight is zoning designers. Seeing that there are only 2 instances, I'll decide that this is a good term to index. After selecting the first instance, PubINDEX drives me to the second and allows me to choose whether or not I want to select it. Because indexing is performed right in the manuscript, page references are two-way hyperlinks. And because the index term is hyperlinked to each instance in the manuscript, if it is modified, the page references will be automatically updated. Now let's try another term, positive externalities. As there are only 4 instances, I decide that this is a good term to index. I like instances 1, 2, and 3. However, this 4th instance looks like the term is used in a different manner, so I'd like to skip it. As you will notice, PubINDEX automatically alphabetizes terms as they're created, so that positive externalities and zoning designers are in the proper order. This makes it much easier for the indexer, particularly so that he does not need to worry about creating near-duplicate terms. Now, let's say we choose a term like policy. I can see immediately that there are too many instances for this to be a viable term. Therefore, I will simply select no. I do not want to index this term. Indexing concepts is also very easy to do. And voila, a new concept is created. Now, once all of the desired terms have been created, the indexer can dynamically create sub-entries, or quickly and easily create cross-references, all without breaking the hyperlinks. Once the indexer is ready, he can generate the index. Please note that the two-way hyperlinks are preserved after index generation.